Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to run the reverse camera wiring through the barn door, through the body and into the front inner Mercedes Sprinter, the same as VITO or Volkswagen Crafter, but this one already been designed and made into a motorhome, so there's absolutely no way you can run the wiring for the new camera through the inner space inside the van as it was blind before. You have to run the wiring through the part of the back, and then you run down under the van, safely, and then run to the front and go up on the cabin from the underneath in the front. So here at the back section, we focus on the back section. Run from the door here through this rubber and through here, the rubber here, and go into the body. Okay, and then from here we run down and we run it out from the tailgate, the tail light. Okay, remove the tail light and you get the wiring run over here, and then you need to remove some screw that holding the plastic bumper. One there, 2 and 3. Okay, remove 3 of them, so you have enough space that you can move this one out in, and then you run it through here and go from here going down, and it is going down here. Okay, you probably need the fitting wire to run it better, and also make sure that you protect the wiring as what we are doing here. Is the special tape that it guarantee not be broken when something hit it. But this place is very firm and very strong tape, so you put it like this, and then it will stay hidden behind the tail light and the bumper, and nobody see it. Make sure you run this wire underneath, in the right place, and make sure that it is safe and sound. Okay, so that's a small video to show how to run through from the barn door from the left side into the body and go down underneath under the car, the van now. So yep, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.